Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. Are we finally going to move upwards with ADA? What are we going to do? We will answer all of these questions. Before we begin, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below and in the comment section. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will be able to trade 200 altcoins and you will know exactly when to buy and when to sell. Also, you will get market updates, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, manual system with buying and selling opportunities, and of course you will get random giveaways and Pine scripts for trading you. You can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into ADA on the daily frame. Right now we just broke up, we went upwards 8%. Is this a fake out or a breakout? Can we make it towards the upwards right here, or is this another candle like here, for example 1st October, when we had a very nice quick reaction right there and we went upwards and then we broke down? Let's see some things. First of all, I have drawn the Fibonacci extension from the bottom 20 July up to the top on 1st September and up to this bottom on 20 October. You can see right now that the next price target for the ADA right here is the 2.3, of course, and we have one more according to the Fibonacci extension, the 2.59, 2.58, 2.60, around there. We have many more, but for the short term these are the major resistance levels. Okay, so we are going to see a little bit the MACD as well. That looks extremely bullish because we have a higher low right here pattern and a lower low in the price. You can see here a lower low in the price when we achieved the higher low pattern right there. Okay, so eventually this is a bullish MACD divergence, I would say. Okay, you can see that we are getting higher lows and lower lows with the MACD. Therefore it is a very interesting stuff right there for the ADA, and I think we can break above. Okay, let's see a little bit the ADA on the 4-hour frame, and on the 4-hour frame you can see that we had a nice candlestick right there going up 6% to plus 2.5 on the next 4-hour frame candle that it hasn't closed yet, and we have a very high risk. You can see that the RSI is above the 70, the commodity channel index way above the 100 right here, and the stochastic RSI in an overbought, as well as the Fisher transform. Right now we need a quick pump up right here, a little bit of a small correction going on, and then we want to make the higher low higher high pattern right there. Okay, that's what we will be making for the time being. Let's go to the daily frame as well. On the daily frame, Fisher transform bullish cross right here. We had one more on 20 October, but we couldn't make anything. But right now we are in an extreme oversold situation on the daily frame for ADA, as you can see. Okay, and we have a bullish cross on the daily frame. We are not in an oversold or an overbought situation right here. We have now on an oversold situation actually with the Fisher transform, but on the daily you can see that we can grow even more. That is pretty fine, and we had a buying opportunity according to the SL hybrid. But the SL hybrid hasn't been doing so good with Cardano. You can see we had a buying opportunity back on 1st October, selling here, buying back on 15 October, selling on 27, and so on. It isn't doing good on bearish markets. Okay, so let's go now to ADA Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. This is the best right here. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted just to see ADA against Bitcoin moving upwards, climbing above the 50-day MA and making it as a support level. We have to see that so long we had to see this. You can see that back then we saw it before on 22nd September, then we fell down again, but right now might be different. Things might be different, although we are getting quickly into an overbought situation. This is because we are just having in the historical data of 14 days for the RSI, and therefore you can see before the 14 days we were just consolidating. That's why we are going right now quickly into an overbought. Okay, next price targets for the ADA against Bitcoin chart will be a little bit updated as I had before, and you can see that the next price target is the 0.403857, 0.404305, and so on. Okay, and we also have the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is the 0.404700. Okay, we can go even higher, but right now let's take it step by step. ADA against the Bitcoin chart climbed the 50-day EMA. This is pretty good, although we have a very high risk due to the fact that we have the common channel index in an overbought and so on. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, as you can see right here, a very bullish scenario would be to break above the 20-day EMA. We haven't done that since 23rd September as well. Okay, so a bullish scenario right here will be to get a little bit higher. You can see we had the double bottom right there. We approached the bottom we had back on 31st July for ADA, okay, against Bitcoin. So yes, we were correcting so much. We had an extreme correction of around, let's see, of around 50%, okay, 50% correction for the ADA against Bitcoin chart. We are glad that ADA against Bitcoin was correcting while Bitcoin was going upwards. If Bitcoin was going downwards, then ADA would be right now a little bit further down than the 1.5 USDT. Okay, so let's go now to the price analysis, and you can see right here we are just trying to go upwards. Let's just draw a Fibonacci retracement tool right here, and I will draw the Fibonacci retracement from this top down to this bottom. We had 1.8 we were going for ADA. You can see that we are struggling to get a little bit above the 2-point level, which is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, but I really do believe that we are going to make it through, and we are going even to 2.29, and of course even higher to 2.35 and so on. Okay, we have some targets with the Fibonacci extension on the first minutes of the video. Check them out because we were on the daily frame. Now we are looking more of a short term. Breaking above the 2.11 will get us to 2.29 and so on and so on. And of course, I think we can manage to do that. It is finally the time that we are doing that. ADA against USDT, you can see the MACD has a higher low pattern right here. For the daily frame, for ADA against Bitcoin chart, we haven't confirmed a bullish scenario yet. However, we have broken above this high right here back on 26 October. That's why I think that we might be getting a little bit of a higher low pattern right here for ADA against Bitcoin chart, moving slowly above the 70. Okay, so yes, I do believe that the ADA time is coming right there, and of course we are going even higher towards the upwards. And before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription by /mindyourcrypto. You will find it easily, the link in the description and in the comment section. Join in, get ready for this bull run, trade 200 altcoins. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.